Hello everyone, in this video what we are going to do is we are going to create a .NET application and we are going to push that code into Azure DevOps Git. If you are new to my channel, hit subscribe. Your subscription will motivate me to produce more video in better quality. So this is my DevOps organization. Let me get into my project. First let's create a repository here and then we will proceed to create a .NET application. And here just click on the drop down and click on new repository and let me provide a name to our repository. I have provided the name and I don't need readme file, so I'm just unchecking it and let me create. So I just created an empty repository. For next we will proceed to create a .NET application. So in order to do it, I'm going to create my .NET application here. So let me copy this and let me open command prompt. And here let me switch to the repository folder and here let's create a .NET application. In order to do it, so in order to get started, first install git VS Code .NET 9 and then C# extension in VS Code. So these four prerequisites are need to be done. After that, if you are using Git for the first time in your machine, just set your username, set your user email ID, and then set the default branch, and then you can get started. These commands I will provide in the video description. So let me copy the command first. So what we are going to do is we are going to create a .NET web application named My Razor Web App using .NET Framework 9.0 9.0. So let me go over here. Let's run. It's it had created. Now we need to switch it to this web app folder. Even if you just go and check in the repository. So this is the path. So let's jump over here. In order to open this code in VS Code, just type code space dot and then it will open the VS Code. So these everything got created. So what we are going to do is just go to view and click on terminal and run .NET build. It is building. Now let's run our .NET app and just click, and here if you see, you could see the local host. Just click on control and click the link and see we have created our first .NET application and it is running from a local. Let's try to push this to Azure DevOps Git. So first command you need to run is git init. Just copy it, come over here and go to VS Code. Let's stop this. It is running, right? So let's stop. Control C. It will stop it. And now let's git init. So what it will do, it will just initialize a hidden folder called as git in this specific path in our application path. So if you go over here and see, this hidden folder got generated. Now next step, we need to add our remote URL. Remote URL in the sense our git repo URL. So now to do it, just go here and here you could find remote URL. Just copy along with this command and let's come over here, paste it, and now just go to git here and then if you see, these are the changes because this is the first time we are pushing the changes, right? So everything all the changes are appearing here. So what you need to do is you find stage all the changes are there, right? Just click on plus, so it will do all the changes. Now all the changes have been staged. Now it's time to commit it. I have provided a commit message, so let's commit and then publish. So everything's done. Now just click on push. That's it. Now let's come to our remote repository and refresh it. See, our .NET code came here. In next video, we will see how to deploy this .NET code into Azure Web App. So whatever the prerequisite is URL and the commands which we have used, I have uploaded it to our Discord server, and under that just go to this particular channel 𝗛𝗲𝗿𝗲 and download this PDF. That's it on this video. See you on the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.